our mission is purely about the advancement of family engagement. And so we thought it's time for us to have a conference, and to have the type of conference that helps us to continue to elevate the field, the priority of this field, and a conference that makes them feel proud to be a part of this community.
And we really wanted it to be more than just the same old conference. We wanted it to be an exciting convening of the field, people coming together, sharing ideas.
We've been so excited to bring father engagement, especially to this conference with NAFSCE, because we understand that fathers are super important for the success and the growth of a child.
So there's a sense of connection here, and a sense of we're in this together. I don't feel alone. Sometimes I do feel a little bit alone in the way I think and do things and the way I view engagement. And I see that there's other people who share, we're like-minded.
I did not know that there was such energy and a movement behind family engagement. So just being energized by colleagues around the nation who recognize that family engagement is important.
Combination of it's our first assembly, it's our 10th anniversary, there's just this positive energy here.